building that the sewing machine was in was used as a sewing factory many years ago, and this unit was left here. Actually, I don't know how long ago this was a sewing factory. It may not have been too long, but the model number may tell you something about the unit. Here's the tag. Maybe you can see the number here, and it has the light. It's basically a full workstation. I guess those are bobbin holders or spool holders. It's got a Linko clutch motor, 0.5 horsepower, and it does work. So we'll turn it on, and the light comes on. You hear the clutch motor building speed here, and I'm going to get down on my knee here and work the foot pedal. You can see the clutch kick in. Sewing machine is very smooth. Doesn't seem to be making any odd noise or anything. So it's a single needle unit. The little foot lever that raises the presser foot up and down works. And that's all I know about it. I'm not a sewing machine expert. But there it is. It has been in our enclosed loading dock area. It's had water. You can see the floor is actually wet from a rain. It's had water around the base. It did have like an MDF or a press board board on it, and it was just soggy from the rain getting in there and soaking into that. So I took it off because it wasn't any good, but we're using the building as a wood shop now. That's why the pieces of cherry logs are in here. But we wanted to sell this before it was damaged in some way, and see if we could get it to someone that could use it. Oh, didn't even know that drawer existed. Here's a bunch of needles. All kinds of goodies in that drawer. I'd say those are not real cheap, that many needles. So I don't think there's another drawer. So that's it. Happy bidding.